Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two latest and popular smartwatches from iTel. The first one, the iTel Smartwatch Storm Ultra, or the iTel ISW O23. Okay, and of course the next one, this is the latest, the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20, also known as the iTel ISW O20. Okay, again, this is the ISW O23 and the ISW O20, the Storm Ultra and the Fit. On this video, we are going to compare these two wearables. We will compare the design, the packaging here, the specs, as well as the offered features. So if you are interested to get one and you are thinking whether to get the Storm Ultra or the Fit O20, watch this video. And again, drop a comment below if you have any questions. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two wearables. Before we dive into the design, let's check first the packaging. So this is the Storm Ultra. As you can see here, they have the same size for the box. We have some of the features here on the front. Both do have a seal of authenticity, as you can see here. At the back, we have the specifications. They almost have the same style when it comes to packaging. Just different color, just different layout of the graphics, but when it comes to size, they're just the same, okay, style or design. Okay, both do have an information, a good info on the packaging. You don't need to go to the user manual just to check some of its features. It's already stated here, as well as the specs. The same with our O23. Okay, then next we have here the wearable. Both do have a rectangular body frame. The Storm Ultra or the O23 do have a metal body frame, while for our Smartwatch Fit O20, we have a plastic body frame, unibody. This one, plastic back cover, but the middle frame is metal. As you can see here, the design is somewhat like a Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, minimally sporty style for our O20. Both do have a rotary crown button. This one is for the sports. We only have a crown button for our O20. The back, both do have a pogo pin, magnetic charging, interchangeable strap with its quick release pin. Okay, on the side, on the front. Okay, let's change this to a lighter watch face. As you can see, it has a wider black border on the bottom. The same with our Fit O20. Okay, on the side, again, the back, on the other side. Okay, let's have the next. Let's have the dimension of the wearable. Okay, let's check. So we have here Storm Ultra. Let's check without the buttons here. It is around again 38 something. Okay, of 39. I think this is 39. Oh, not 40. It's 40. Okay, then the length 49. For the thickness without the sensor, 10.9. For our Fit O20, so this is much easier to check, much slimmer, 41. It's around 48, almost the same with our Storm Ultra. And for the thickness here, 10.6. It's just the same with a 10.6, just the same with our Storm Ultra. For the strap, this is 0.22, I think. Yes, going to check it here. Okay, I think this is around 0.22. Let's try to remove it. .22. Yes, 0.22 I should see here. Okay, the same with our O20. It also has a 0.22 millimeter strap. Okay, we already checked it yesterday and it is 0.22. Okay, next, as you can see here, both do have a stainless steel buckle. Okay, they almost have the same, I think just the same style for the strap as well as the weight. But for the overall total weight, let's check. We have the Storm Ultra, so it is around 58 or 59. For the O20, it's just 45. So much lighter due to the plastic body frame. Again, for the design, okay, which do you think is much better? When it comes to body frame, I think the Storm Ultra do have a much better body frame and more durable. Okay, next, let's check out the specifications. Okay, let's go first with the Storm Ultra. We have the specs here at the back. For the Fit O20, we also have it here. So we have 2.02 inch TFT LCD with a 320 by 390 pixel resolution for the Storm Ultra. For our Fit, we have 2.04, so much bigger screen display, still TFT, but okay, the resolution's just average 240 by 284. Unlike here, we do have a much better resolution, 320 by 390. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.3. No, the Storm Ultra do have a 5.3, 5.4 for our O20. For the battery capacity, 300 mAh. For our Storm Ultra, 220 mAh for our O20. Both do have 2 hours of charging time. IP68, yes, IP68. Okay, so as you can see, when it comes to screen display, the Storm Ultra do have a much better screen, but more color option, I think, for our O20. As you can see here, beautiful colors for our O20 compared to our Storm Ultra. I think it is just black, silver, and I think there's also a gold, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, again, for the specifications, I'm going to list it here on these parts. You can check, you can compare it easily. Check out the specs from display to the compatibility and waterproof rating. Okay, so that's it. Next, let's dive into the offered features. Okay, for the offered features, let's check out first the UI. On top we have the settings here. Okay, brightness for each smartwatch. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the right side we have the menus here for our O20. Here we have the split screen. On the right side we have the widgets, and as you can see, they have the same design. I think they are using the same operating system. For the menus, let's check. So we have here activity, sleep monitoring, you have a heart rate here, and let's check. Oops. Okay. We have the Bluetooth call. We have the exercise record. I think they offer the same features here. We have weather, message notifications, shutter, music player, relaxation. We have AI voice, timer, alarm, stopwatch, find phone. We have cycle tracking here. We have calculator. Do we have a games? Yes. And we have the settings. Display, vibrate and ring, do not disturb mode, low power mode, Bluetooth phone call activation. We have a passcode here, drain, system, and about. Let's see the version of the operating system. We have okay, 0.1 to 0.18. So this is the latest here. Okay, for the number of sports, as you can see, they have the same menu offering. Okay, I think for the sports they also have the same number of sports, more than 100 sports functions for each wearable. Okay, do we have a swimming here? Yes, we also have a swimming, as you can see. Okay, I think they have the same features. Let's see if, I don't know if there's an AI watch face for the Storm Ultra, added AI watch face. We'll see. Okay, but so far as you can see, the menus and features are just the same. Okay, just different when it comes to the version of the operating system. Okay, but the same operating system, I think, just the version is different. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the Smartwatch Storm Ultra compared with our Smartwatch Fit O20. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. If you have any questions regarding the video, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.